Let's take a good look at the screen on your Sleep8. Starting at the top, you'll see a battery icon. It shows the amount of power remaining before it needs a recharge. Seeing 4 bars shows that your Sleep8 is fully charged. A full charge should last about 3 cleanings. If the icon has 1 or 2 bars, the battery is low and you should plug your Sleep8 into the charger. Below the battery icon, you'll see a 2-digit timer. When your Sleep8 is sanitizing, this counts down the minutes remaining. When the sanitization is complete, the device will beep 5 times and the number will be replaced by an OK. The device will then automatically turn off. You can unzip the bag and take out your PAP machine accessories. To the left of the timer is a fan icon. The fan will pulse during the sanitization process to let you know your Sleep8 is working hard. Near the bottom of the screen is an O3 icon. This icon will appear when the bag is connected to the device properly and will stay visible through the sanitization process. A red X display next to the O3 icon indicates that the bag isn't connected to the device properly. When the X appears, the device will beep for 30 seconds. Press the on-off button to turn off this alarm. If you see the X, make sure the bag is connected like this. If you need any more information about your device, visit the FAQ page on our website. That's the screen. Now you know the language of your Sleep8.